So as part of one of our exercises, we need to use a CSV file within our Lakehouse. It's really simple to pull in a file from Lakehouse. So this is a Lakehouse that I set up earlier. If you click on files, and files are the Parquet files, and they can store anything in them. It can be any type of data, whereas your tables is much more structured data based on the Delta format. But to upload a file, you click on the three buttons, click upload, and upload files or folder. It's that straightforward. Then you click on the button here, the folder button. It takes you into your working space on your computer, and I can click HR file, and it will then upload it. You can see I've already got it uploaded on here. If you click on files, and you can see there I've got PNG, CSVs, all sorts of, and I've got different images in a folder. I've got a GIF in there. So it literally can bring in anything. So in this case, I can delete it. It's just the same as using something on your machine, your desktop. So then if I go back into my files, click the three buttons, click upload, upload files, come back here, upload. It gives you this, and it's a bit, you sort of almost want to click on it, which I've done, which then goes to your mobile, which is quite handy. And then you click upload, and you'll see it's uploaded here. It's that straightforward to upload and delete files, and it's there. And then if I want to pull that into my data, into my notebook, I click load data. I don't want it as Spark, I want it as Pandas. It's one small file. Spark's overkill. It will then bring in import pandas as PD, and you can see that it's loading it from my default Lakehouse, because this Lakehouse is set as my default Lakehouse. It's set there, and then this is the pathway that you would use, and it's stored under files. If I wanted to bring something in from my images, so if I click here, I've got a Python GIF, I can pull that in with my images. Go in here, click load data, pandas, click on pandas, and because it's in pandas, there's different ways that you can do it. It will use matplotlib for this, and then you can press play, and then you see it brings it in as an image in this way because it's showing it as a data frame. But there are different ways and things we can do to make that show like a nice image, but that's for another day.